Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, chrome wheels, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power lift gate, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, navigation from telematics, MP3 player, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.